Hi and welcome to the channel Easy Breezy German. Hallo und herzlich willkommen. If you've always wanted to learn German but don't know where to start, or if you started learning German but found it a bit tricky, you're in the right place. My name's Sonia. I'm a native German speaker living in the UK, and I'm here to make learning German fun and simple for you. Whether you're just starting or want to improve on what you already know, I'll be walking you through the language step by step in a way that's totally beginner friendly. In this channel, we'll cover vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, as well as learning how to introduce yourself, ordering food in a restaurant, or ask for directions. So you'll feel confident speaking German, whether you're traveling to Germany or studying, or you're learning German just for fun. Awesome! So if you're ready to learn German with me, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Until next time, cheers! See you in the next video.